How to edit a video in PowerDirector. Now, in order to edit a video in PowerDirector, just simply tap to this new project, and after tapping in there, you just simply need to select any of the video which you would like to edit. For example, I'm selecting this one and tap to next button. After doing this much, you will get this page where the video is already imported which you would like to edit, and after that you can choose a lot of options. In order to edit, just simply tap to this edit button and you can edit the volume of the video, you can reduce or maximize the video, and you can use other features. You can use the speed option, you can transform the videos by tapping into this, you can zoom, fill, flip, and use all of these features. You can also adjust the video's tone, brightness, and all these stuff from here. And you can also edit the background by tapping into this background option. You can also add effects, enhance the video, use other tools such as replace and reverse or freeze the frame in the video, and you can also duplicate the clip and use all of the other option. Just simply pick any of the option which you would like to edit in your video and then proceed with that.